What's something people don't know about mutual funds for the wealthy? They're tailored to bring in big bucks. High net worth investors need more than just good returns. They need tailored strategies. Two funds that stand out are the Franklin India Focused Equity Fund and the ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Fund. Let's start with Franklin India Focused Equity Fund. This fund zeroes in on a concentrated portfolio of high-quality stocks. It's designed to ride market highs and cushion market lows, perfect for those who want steady growth. Next up, ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Fund. This one's all about investing in large-cap companies with a solid track record. Think of it as betting on the big players, reliable and robust. Both funds come with higher minimum investments, but offer the stability and performance high net worth individuals crave. So, if you're looking to grow your wealth, these mutual funds might just be your ticket to financial success. Remember, always consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Happy investing?